Shifting Surrounds is an exhibition of 6 immersive installations. There are many layers to the works conceptually. Our disconnection to the natural environment, to our overconsumptive behaviours as humans. Other works are representing natural disasters or infertile lands. So I chose to use Epson projectors for this exhibition because of the flexibility in installation. The G series has 360 degrees installation flexibility for floor projections. Also multiple geometry features to create very immersive, seamless installations. Epson also gives very saturated and intense colours, especially the laser projectors, which help enhance the hyper-realistic feel of the works.